There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Yeah, okay. Let's try this again. Hello, YouTube. It's me again. Yeah, that's my crazy voice. What else? Guess what? I bought another locking pliers. Oh my god. Yeah, they were cheap. They were at, what do you call it? Tractor supply. Picked them up. They were like $5. They were in the sale bin at the front. So, yeah. Shop hack. There's also a shop hack video. Packaging. Tin snips. Look at that. Make easy work of packaging. See? If you have the longer ones, it works even better. See? Ta-da! Just like a recording. There you go. See? Are these any good? I don't know. Let's compare them with some. They actually feel well made. So they got C5C, made by Crescent. Let's check the vice grip ones. I look at some old vice grip ones. They look the exact same thing as vice grip ones. Well, let's see. Well, anyway, let's see. Here's a vice grip one. I'd probably beg to say that this was probably made by Vice Grip, because look, I mean, there's a little bit of a tolerance issue in here. So this one is a little wiggly. I don't know if you can see this, like, probably not, but the pin patterns are pretty much the same. You can see that. See, the pattern and all the pins are the same. These things are in the same place. The head's a little thinner on here. This seems a little bit more finer machined. This doesn't seem like it's really machined very well. Other than that, they look identical. This one is a much older one. This one's made in America. It's a Vice Grip. This one's made in where? Made in China. So you can tell that, first of all, there's like a little hiccup over here. There's a, you know what I mean? There's a ding and a dash, there's like a little lip right here where they didn't grind it off. The little spoon part on it is a little bigger. See, this one says 3mm hex, which is cool. I never even noticed that. And this one's got the little, I know that some of the newer vice grips have this stupid knurl thing, the little round thing. They took the knurling off. But essentially, other than having a little bit of cheapness in here, like look, it's got a little bit of flex in there. This one, you open it, has still the same, but if you look at them right here, right in here, this one's thinner than that one. But essentially, see, that one looks like it opens, I can't even see it, see. This one opens less, that one opens more. The jaws open more. Let's see, we'll close it all the way here. We'll see if we have it closed all the way. That one doesn't even close all the way, I don't think. The other thing, when you put the bolt all the way in, see, put the bolt all the way in this one, the jaws are like not even open. This one, you put the bolt all in, the jaws are still open like that. And if you put it out skis, let's see, close it like that, and you close this like, see, open the bolt just so it's closed enough, you get a difference in the bolt length sticking out. This one sticks out more. But I mean, if you want to buy cheap pliers, yeah, cheap locking pliers, these ones are not bad. I mean, the quality is pretty cool. I still like the finish on the older vice grips. This is an older vice grip, it's more of a similar one. It's not too smooth. I find they make these newer ones too smooth. You can't really get a grip on them. Like it needs some grippiness to it. It's just too damn smooth. So anyway, hope you liked the video. I'm yapping about vice grips again. Like, subscribe, check out the folks in the bottom, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.